All right. Welcome back to the channel. This is my 2021 Can-Am Ryker. And I just wanted to really quickly discuss something that seems to be a very hot topic for the Can-Am Ryker, and that's the VVS Fault Limp Mode. So let's get into it. So there seems to be two common ways to correct the VVS limp mode issue. So the first is actually your driving technique. So if you put your foot up on the peg and if you have it slightly on the brake while driving, of course you're throttling, it's gonna throw your bike into a limp mode because it's kind of confused on what's going on. Are you braking? Are you driving? It doesn't really know, so it's gonna throw you into a limp mode. So try to keep your foot off the brake as much as you can while driving. So that there would be pretty much the general way to avoid having a VVS limp mode fault. Now, there's a more complex reason for it, and that would be your yaw sensor. I'm actually gonna throw up a quick little video about that real quick, just to kind of explaining what it does. So hopefully that helps you out some. That is either your foot is on the brake while driving with your hand on the throttle, and or it could be the yaw sensor and it needs to be replaced. Now, if it's neither of those two, then definitely take your bike back to the dealer and have them do a more thorough inspection. But from what I've seen, those seem to be the two most common ways of why you're getting the limp mode on your Ryker. So I hope that helps you guys. If not, please leave a comment below on what you might have found for your limp mode. The Ryker community would really appreciate getting any information on this VVS Fault limp mode. So for now, you guys, y'all know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Ryker fam, tap in.